Hey guys, I know this is a very similar machine, but I wiped it down real quick so I can make a video of it. And here's my other wide path Hoover foldaway. As you can tell, the logos are quite different, the two. And I found out that this one was not a slipping belt. I just found out that the height adjustment wheels are off, and it's busted. So that explains that. This one's tools are actually still taped onto it, so it's a fairly new machine. This is one that was in the storage unit full of vacuums that I got from the local vacuum shop when it closed. You can tell the brush hole's in pretty good condition, almost brand new. This one's in pretty good shape. It's busted on the height wheels too, just like the other one. See if I can hunt those down. But this is a model U5175-900. Go ahead, set this machine up. So that explains why when I was height adjusting that to different carpet, it did no good to me. So go ahead and start this. As you can tell, this is sun faded versus the bottom. Go ahead and test the hose suction on this one too. This one's gotta have a clog. It's not the best of hose suction, but it's not horrible. But yeah, guys, that's just the other video of my other Hoover foldaway. Thanks for watching.